In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through how you can add local audio files to your Spotify library. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this here on Spotify. Now, what exactly are local files? They're essentially going to be local tracks that are stored directly on your phone or your computer. Being able to play them in Spotify is super convenient, especially when they're not available on the platform. First, what I recommend doing is simply creating a folder for your music files. If you're on PC, I recommend placing this on desktop for easy access, or if you're on an iPhone like me right now, I recommend actually going into the Files app and just simply creating a folder where you can put all of your music in so it's not just scattered in this section that says on my iPhone. Now you will need to go ahead and open up Spotify first and go ahead and change a specific setting. You can do this by clicking on the profile icon and going into settings and privacy. In the apps and devices section, there's going to be an option that says local audio files. Go ahead and tick this on, otherwise this is not going to work. But essentially from here, you can exit out of that and go to wherever that file is stored. As you can see, mine is this one right here. Essentially just hold down on that, or if you're on PC, just go ahead and grab it and then go ahead and drag it or click move to the Spotify folder. As you can see on an iPhone, I just got to open up that Spotify folder by searching it and then hitting move. On PC, it's as simple as just dragging it in there. From here, you can go ahead and go back into Spotify. And now in your library, there should be a section that says local files. Open that up and you'll see that song in there. This is the song that I just put in there. I can click on it and it'll start playing. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.